Hey friends, today we are going to see how to make mango pickle, an easy one, that also in Kerala style. And that's how my mom used to make. It is so delicious and instant one. So I'm at my mom's place and we have made this 2 jars of pickle. So let's see how to start. So to start with the mango pickle, we need a kadai or a pan. You can use around 4 tablespoons of oil we need, and you can add mustard seed around 2 teaspoons. After that, garlic chopped, garlic cloves around 10 to 15 we can add, and then ginger around 2 to 3 tablespoons, which is grated. Curry leaves around 3 to 4 sprigs. Mix it well so the raw smells goes off. Here we have cut mango and tossed with turmeric and salt and kept aside for 30 minutes. So now we can see that the garlic is almost getting a slight brown, and here's a masala we have kept ready already. So there is chili powder 2 to 3 tablespoons, fenugreek powder around 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, asafoetida around half teaspoon, and sugar for taste 1 teaspoon. Also we are going to add vinegar along with the oil, but here we have missed it, so we have added vinegar at the end, and the salt. So our masala is ready, and now we can add the chopped mangoes here. Mix it very well. Oh, we have forgotten to add vinegar, so we are going to add vinegar also at the end, or else you can, best is to mix with the masala. Along with the masala, vinegar you can add around 2 to 3 teaspoon, and salt to taste. So you can see our mango pickle is ready. It looks so yummy, and then you can just turn off the heat. You don't need to cook it completely, it's just little hot, that's it. Hey, our mango pickle is ready, and now let it cool down, and then we can store it in a sterile dry glass jar. Hope you enjoyed the video, and do try it and let me know in the comments.